This is an automotive modification part made from a gray translucent PC sheet through thermoforming, lightweight, impact-resistant, and semi-transparent for enhanced aesthetics. The PC sheet is evenly heated until pliable, then vacuum drawn onto the mold. This thermoforming process creates smooth curves and sharp structural lines, ideal for hood vents, aerodynamic parts, and other automotive exterior upgrades. The formed part is positioned on the cutting bed and secured with fixtures to ensure consistent accuracy. CNC precision cutting follows contour trimming. Mounting holes and functional slots are machined, one by one. The edges remain smooth and clean, delivering both structural integrity and a refined visual finish. After thermoforming, clamping, and precision cutting, the component is complete, durable, accurate, and ready for use in airflow guides, equipment covers, or custom exterior kits.